Create a website on WordPress. First of all, you need to have a web hosting. So for web hosting, I recommend Bluehost. So you can use pioneerstrikes.com/Bluehost, and I will provide all of these links in the description so you can get access to them. So here you can get 70% off through this link, and then you will have to simply click on get started, or maybe you can go to shared hosting from here. Now here are 4 packages. We can use the first package. You can also get the second package if you want to add unlimited websites. Otherwise, the first package is good as well, as they provide 10 GB SSD storage, which is best for WordPress websites. So let's select it. Here you can type your domain name. So for example, I can type my name. Click on next. You can see it's available, so I will type in and fill all the information, and then here you can see some extra packages are selected that we won't need, so we will just uncheck them. So the total price is getting calculated. So you can see we can get it for like $35. So you can add your credit card information and you will get the WordPress like this, that will show up like this. Okay, so here is the WordPress dashboard. So now let's talk about the theme. So we are using this theme, so I will provide the link of the theme in the description as well, so you can get access to it. So once you will buy the theme, you will be able to download a zip file like this. So first of all, you have to extract this file. You can open the folder, and here you can see all the files. Okay, so now go to your website. So here is the WordPress that I got after getting the web hosting from Bluehost. So once you are into your WordPress dashboard, you can start building your website. Let's see the front end of the website. So here is the fresh WordPress install with the hello world. So let's go back to dashboard, and first of all we have to install the theme. So we will go to appearance and then themes. Click on add new. Now click on upload theme. So now go to the files and you have to install this zip file. Install now. So this will take some time, so let me fast forward the video. So the theme installation is done. Let's activate the theme. So we can skip this setup. Now we have to go to the plugins, and here we have to install these plugins. So once the plugin installation is done, we can go to plugins, installed plugins. So here we can see that all the plugins are now installed. So now we can go forward and we can install the content, dummy content. So that will give a shape to our website. As now if we go to website and refresh it, we can see some changes in the design, but still our website is incomplete. So we will go back and we will go to the dummy content, and here we can install any of the demo. Like if you want to build a real estate website, you can install this one. If you want to build a beauty website, you can install this one, and there are several one for like the decoration, marketplace, shoes, books, retail, and there are, I think there are tens and tens of different templates available here. As I plan to build a cosmetic website, so I will install this one. So first of all, I can review this template, and here is how my website will look like after installing this template. So here is the template. So if we will click on any collection, we will be able to see its products. So let's go back to website and click on import. So this template installation will take some time, so we can fast forward this video. So the demo is imported. Let's go back to website and refresh. So here you can see the website. So here is the pop-up, we can close it, and here is the menu. So currently there are dummy menus added. We can remove them if we want from the appearance menus, and we can also change the design. Like if we want to edit any part of the page, we can just go to that page and then we will click on edit with Elementor. So here if we want to change this image, we will click on this button. So here is the slider that is created using Slider Revolution plugin. So we can change this one from that plugin settings, and if we want to change any of these images, we will just click on it, go to image, and then we can change the image over here, and we can change the content from here. So here the title will show up on the image. So if we want to edit this text, we will click on this button and then we can change the content over here. If we will change it, it will appear on the front end. So that's how we can change it, change the design and things, and then we can also change these categories. So here we can add new categories. Like if we want to add a new category, we will go to the products and then we will go to categories, and here we can create new categories and then link them to here. So here you can see twice lighting, furniture, cooking, clothes, and all these categories are present over here. So we can manage them from here. Like if we see the accessories is not available here, so if we want to change anyone, we will just click on this button and then we will type in the name of the category over here. So here is the accessories one, we will click on it and it will be shown over here. So that's how we can add categories of our choice over here. So currently I don't want to change them, so I will not change them, and then we can change these images and the text over here as well. So that's how we can make changes to our website. In the same way, we can change any part of our website. Like if we want to change anything on about us page, we will go to about us page and then we can click on edit with Elementor to change any image or text. So for now, let's go to the menus and set up the menu. So here let me just view the main menu left. So that will be this 3 links. So we can remove these links. So here we will click on none and we will click on save changes. So as I have not refreshed it, you can see these 4 tiles, and if I will refresh it, now you will not see anything because we have removed the drop down. So go to shop, so we can change it to none as well. So once we save change and go back to website and refresh, now this menu is resolved as well, and we can remove these pages as well from here. So for that we will go to main menu, right, select, You can remove it, and now we can click on save changes. Let's go back to the home page, and now let us test our website. So here you can see the wishlist item. So if we will open it, we will see a wishlist page, and we can add the products to wishlist. Like we will click on add to wishlist, and now if we will go back to wishlist page and then refresh it, we will see the item over here. Similarly, if anyone want to purchase a product, they will just click on add to cart, and they can go to the checkout, and they can easily place order after filling the information. They will click on place order, but we currently don't have any payment method set up, so let us go and set up the payment method. So for that we will go to WooCommerce setting, now we will go to payments, and here we can set up the payment method. If we want to set up a payment method like PayPal or Stripe, we can go to plugins, add new, and here we can type PayPal, and we can install any of the PayPal plugin. So maybe let us install this one. Now let's go back to the WooCommerce settings, payments, and here you can see the PayPal button. You can turn it on. So once you have turned it on, you can activate and you can connect to your PayPal. Currently I will use sandbox option. Sandbox is just for testing and not connecting the real PayPal. You can activate PayPal and set up your own. So agree and connect. So we have connected the PayPal, save changes. And now if we will go to the checkout page and we will refresh it, and now we can see PayPal is integrated. So now we can pay with the PayPal. When more we can use the pay letter option as well. So let us close these tabs, and now if you want to add your own products, like if you go to the website you see these demo products. So if you want to add your own, you will go to products, all products, and here you can delete these products, like you can select all of them and you can move them to the trash if you want. But currently I don't want to move them to the trash. I just want to show you how to add a new product. So I will click on new product, and here we will type the name of the product. Here we will add the price of the product, and here we can and here we can select the product image. So I will select any from the media library. You can also upload them from your computer or laptop. So let us just select this flower. And if we want, we can also add a description of it, and then we can publish it. We can select the categories from like here. So let's view the product. So here you can see the product, and similarly you can add your other products as well. So if we will go to shop page, and here we can sort these products by latest, and here we can see the product that we uploaded. We can select the category. If we will select the category, then we will be able to see the product when we will click on any collection or category, whatever called. So that's how you can install, setup and manage your website, e-commerce website on WordPress. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section, and you can also tell me if you want a complete e-commerce website demo using a free theme. Like this Woodmart theme is paid, and if you want me to create a beautiful e-commerce website with free plugins and themes, just let me know in the comment section and I will create a separate video for that. And don't forget to buy a web hosting, so from the links provided in the description, because that will give me some commission and it will help me to create more free videos for you. If you want to get any web hosting, just go to pioneerstrikes.com, and here I have a separate tab for you guys. You can click on the sources and discounts. Here I have put all the best web hostings for WordPress. Here are the top 3 web hostings, and I personally recommend Bluehost to my clients as well, because it is the best web hosting that is also recommended by WordPress officials. So with this link you can save 70%, and if you need more budgeted hosting, you can get Hostinger or Namecheap. So you can also get discount on them using the promo codes provided in these links. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos.